Welcome to the El Palote cooking show, where we make different things, and I learned how to make them minutes before I film it. Alrighty-o, so today we're going to make a smoothie. It's going to be a good one. It's high in vitamin C. It's got everything you need. It's got oranges, pineapple, carrots, and you got turmeric root organic ground turmeric. It's the good stuff. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Get this blender right here. We're going to get that pineapple, and we're going to go ahead and put all that pineapple inside. Got all that pineapple. Once you got that pineapple in there, you're going to want to add your turmeric powder. Alright. You're going to want 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You might be asking yourself, why do we need turmeric powder in this smoothie? Well, I was told that it's an anti-inflammatory, or at least it helps with digestion and inflammation. So that's always a plus, and it's going to add a little zing to it. That's exactly what we need for this. Then we're going to go ahead and add a peeled portion of ginger. So this is what your ginger normally looks like. You're going to get a little sliver just about that size. I'll be more specific in the description. So I'm going to put this one back, and I'm going to add this one right over there. Alright, so we go ahead and forget that for a second. We move on to our juicer at this point. We're going to go ahead and juice carrots. And let me tell you, I've never really used a juicer before. This is going to be my second time. I don't know if you guys knew this, but the Wizarding World of Harry Potter has closed down for a bit because of this Corona thing. So carrots are the perfect ones, guys. Get your family, get some carrots, and just do some spells all over the place. Let me do this right now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to turn this on. And you're going to be very careful not to do anything stupid. And they're going to be jumping in and jumping out. Oh, and the cup goes everywhere. And there's just a little bit of juice. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So my particular juicer kind of moves a bit. Alright, so we're going to move on to the oranges. These are oranges right here. Like I said, everything's already pre-cut and pre-sliced, but you're going to want to peel these and quarter them and throw them in here. Make sure you get a nice splatter in the air. That's always great. Yeah, now that's some good juice we got there. Whole lot of Florida oranges in there. Alright. Okay, once that's done, we're going to go ahead and pop this right off. We're going to pour it in the blender. Did you guys know that blenders were created in Wisconsin in 1922? Just a random fact that I shouldn't know. But anyways, so let's go ahead and start this and blend it real good. Alright. You put half at first and then the other half. That way you blend all that pineapple and turmeric together. And then this last one So now we got our juice. We're going to go ahead and make 2 cups of this great old juice. I got them back here. And my daughter Julie's going to come try it with me. She's going to let me know what she thinks, okay? 1 second while I pour it up. Alrighty, yo, Julie, come on over here already. Now, Julie, you would let us know the truth that this is gross, right? Alright, so you let all them kids and moms know out there that this is some real good stuff. What do you think? It's good stuff. He's not doing it just for the camera, I swear. This is good stuff. This is delicious. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll keep up with more content and doing stuff like that, and watch our other videos that we have, and everybody stay safe, and we miss y'all, and hope to see you soon at the restaurant once this is all over. Thank you. Stop! Don't throw away your peels. We can do something with those, guys. Okay, we're gonna make a natural I'm sorry I yelled that wrong. I'm really sorry I did that. Anyways, we're gonna make a natural fragrance with these. We got oranges, we got everything we cut up basically. We're gonna make an awesome fragrance for the house because I know we've all been cooped up at home. We're stuck there and it's probably dingy, smelling weird. Everybody's getting tired of everybody. So put a fragrance in and it's gonna be good. So let's make this thing. Get some water. You're gonna add your peels, everything that's left over. If it splashes a little, it's okay. All right. I'll spread that in there. We got a stick of cinnamon, not garlic. That's not garlic, but right in there. And we got a little bit of ginger, just a tad bit. We're gonna turn it on while I'm doing this. Let it get nice and hot. And we're gonna have some cloves in there as well, just a little bit of cloves. You guys know what cloves are? Cloves are awesome. You need them for several things. I'm gonna throw another one in there. It's gonna smell great. So then we leave it in there, let it boil a little bit. Once it starts boiling, the whole house is gonna smell just phenomenal. All right, and we're just gonna add a little bit of water to top it off, and we'll go from there. And once it boils, like I said, the whole house is gonna smell phenomenal. Phenomenal. Thanks for watching. We're gonna end it right here.
Más, Julie y yo vamos a hacer unos wraps de banana, ¿ok? Con mermelada. Aquí tenemos mermelada de fresa y mermelada